This company generated $1 million in sales this month. Everything looks perfect, right? Well, not exactly.
Sales are impressive, but the finance team has discovered a serious problem. The company doesn't have enough cash available. If sales were so high, then where did the money go? The answer is simple. Cash flow tells the real story. Cash flow simply means the movement of money into and out of your business. Every successful company tracks it every day. Cash in is money coming into the business, while cash out is money leaving the business through daily expenses and payments. When a customer pays your invoice, cash comes into the business immediately. This is called cash in, and ERP records it instantly. When your business pays suppliers, cash leaves the company. This is called cash out, and ERP records every payment automatically. ERP automatically connects every cash transaction, updates every module instantly, and keeps your financial records accurate in real time. Imagine your company receives a $100,000 sales order. It looks like great business, but the real story starts now. Your sales reached $100,000, but only $20,000 became cash. The remaining amount is still customer credit. The remaining $80,000 is still outstanding receivable. It belongs to your sales, but it is not cash yet.
With ERP, one payment automatically updates invoices, supplier accounts, cash balance, and financial records in real time.
ERP processes salaries automatically, ensuring accurate, secure, and on-time payments for every employee. ERP connects every department in real time, giving businesses one intelligent system for faster decisions and complete financial control. ERP instantly calculates net cash flow, helping management monitor liquidity and make faster financial decisions with confidence. High sales don't always mean strong cash flow. Without timely collections, even profitable businesses can face cash shortages.
ERP tracks every cash movement in real time, helping businesses forecast shortages, manage liquidity, and make smarter financial decisions.
ERP forecasts cash shortages before they happen, giving management time to act and keep the business financially healthy.
A smart ERP warns you before cash problems happen, giving your team enough time to plan and take action. With ERP insights, management makes smarter decisions early, improving cash flow, reducing risks, and keeping the business financially strong. Without healthy cash flow, salaries get delayed, suppliers stop deliveries, production slows down, and the entire business begins to struggle. Profit shows how much you earned, but cash flow shows whether your business has money available to operate every single day. Remember this forever. Revenue creates growth, but cash flow keeps every business alive.
Every ERP consultant should master cash flow because it connects every financial module and drives smarter business decisions.
Understanding cash flow is crucial.
And integrating these modules like cash receipt and accounts payable gives complete real-time insight.
Impressive.
Strong cash flow helps businesses grow with confidence, complete projects successfully, and create long-term sustainable success.
Always remember, high sales never guarantee high cash. Monitor your cash flow every single day to keep your business healthy. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it. Join our ERP journey and let's master business together.